Hello everyone, Coach Julian here, and today we're going to focus on the dumbbell chest press. Now what that's going to focus on is your pectoralis major, your anterior deltoids, and your triceps brachii. Now, first thing first, you're going to start, I'll just kind of go over this first, and then I'll demonstrate it afterwards, by sitting at the end of the bench. Now you're going to rest both dumbbells on your thighs and hold them in a neutral position. Next, as you lie down, you're going to make sure your body makes contact with the floor and the bench at 5 points. And again, that's going to be both your feet, your hips, your upper back, and the back of your head. Now you're going to maneuver your hand grip to a pronated position on both sides. Your palms should be facing south of your body and arms a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. As you begin to lift, using a concentric motion to press up with a duration of about 1 to 2 seconds while exhaling, your arms are going to extend directly above your chest to the finished position. Now the dumbbells at that point should be positioned horizontally just a few inches apart. Then of course you're going to slowly bend your elbows to lower yourself back to the starting position using an eccentric motion when lowering the weight, which is about 2 to 4 seconds while inhaling. You'll repeat this several times for repetitions and of course in your sets. And then once you're done, you're going to set the dumbbells back on your thighs and either lift yourself up or have your spotter help you. Let's go ahead and demonstrate that. So again, you're going to grab your dumbbells. You're going to move to the end of the bench. You're going to have the dumbbells sitting on your thighs. And you're going to lay back. Okay, as you lay back, you're going to make sure that both feet, your hips, your lower back, and your back of your head are all connected. They call that the 5 points of contact. Now, as you can see, my arms are just kind of sitting here. So now, what you're going to do is, again, pronated with the common grip, shoulder width apart, you're going to just extend the dumbbells up. And again, they're going to be about 1 to 2 inches apart. And then using a concentric motion, then you're going to lower them back down. That's your eccentric motion. It's going to be about 2 to 4 seconds. So now I'll just do a couple reps. Now, while you're doing this, you want to make sure that the dumbbells are just horizontal and above your chest. You want to make sure that they're on the same plane, so they're the same path as they come down and as they go up. You want to make sure you don't lock your elbows, and you want to make sure you're utilizing your full range of motion. Now, as I'm done, you're just going to simply lower your dumbbells on your thighs, lift up on your own, and that, my friends, is what we call a dumbbell chest press. I want to thank you for your time. Have a great day. Take care.